Hi, it's OV Gaming again here with a short Epic 7 video. Today I'm gonna share with you some of my thoughts on the current main Christmas event. So first of all, let's have a look at the event and let's see what it is. Let's go here. The event name is A Small Miracle. Let's go into here. Adventure. So what you have to do for this event is actually farm through 10 different stages, adventure stages, and then you get those reward, get the socks for the first part, which is here, the red socks, and for the second part, which is gonna be open I think a week from now, you will get the bakery coupons, and for this you will be able to exchange for different items in here. So you get a chest of small fortunes, the artifact that give you even more socks and coupons. Also you get a good very nice epic gear, epic helmet. The substats are really nice. I think this is really a good giveaway. And then you have catalyst, epic catalyst, Molagora seed, Phantasma for leveling up, Covenant bookmarks, and charms and gold. Okay, and for the chest, you when you purchase, when you open, you get several different random stuffs that I will show you later, because I bought many of this just to show you how it is. Okay, so and then you have the reputation thing, where you just basically farm the map for several quests, specific quests, and then you get bonus socks and coupons as well. And when you finish everything, every quest here, you get a gold transmit stone. Okay, so I have run through my accounts, and I have accumulated enough socks to get 100 of the chests of small fortunes, and I opened them, and let's see what I've got. Okay, so after opening 100 boxes, this is what I get. Here, so most of it was the 50,000 gold, which is expected, and then artifact, charm, and then the runes, necklace, charm as well. To be honest, I don't really care much about these in the middle, just the gold transmit stone and the Covenant bookmarks. So the rate is really low, and here's a breakdown of the percentages. So actually the rate for gold transmit stone is, you can see here, is only 2 over 100, so 2%, which is here. And then for the Covenant bookmarks is the same, is only 7%. And I've tried putting this into stamina and sky stones. So actually 100 boxes will require 20,000 socks, which is equals to which equals to 1333 runs. And for these runs you need nearly 16,000 stamina, which means you need to spend 2,285 stamina in order to get 5 covenant bookmarks, which equal to 1 pool, and that is 1,143 sky stones, which is ridiculous and very expensive. And the same goes to the everybody wanted the gold transmit stone. You need 8,000 stamina, a little bit less for one, and that equals to nearly 4,000 sky stones, which is even worse in my opinion. So my opinion on this event, what you should do is you should only farm enough to finish all the reputation quest here. You get a lot of socks from here as well, and for that you will be able to exchange for everything here, maybe excluding the gold and the chest, and everything else you should take it. For the chest, yeah, if you're feeling lucky you can do it, but I don't think it's worth your time and stamina. So that's how I go about it. And one more small trick as well is I forgot to mention, is that when you have your hero equipped with this artifact, you will get increased socks. So if you actually have this equipped on 3 of your characters, which is the maximum you will get in the first part of the event, you will get 15 socks per run. Okay, so that's for your information. So all in all, this is an okay event, but I don't think you should think about exchanging the socks for the chest of small fortunes once you have already exchanged for everything else. Okay, so yeah, that's just my take on it, and I really think that you should not go too deep into farming this event, because it's just not worth it. And okay, for the second part of the video, I'm gonna share with you some tips. Actually, some of the things that I didn't know exist before, and I kind of regret it. So first of all is the reputation buffs. You can see here in the reputation section, you have a little button called view story, and below it you have the lasting effect, healing cost -1%, healing time -1%. This is I think the amount of gold you need to spend when your character's HP is low after each battle. So you can say this is helpful, but not the best. But so what you do, and have a look at others as well. Oh, this one is better. This one is very good. Battle EXP experience +1%, and then also equipment enhance experience plus 1%. So for this, it will be very useful for you, um, because this will determine how fast you will grow your team, and how fast you will level up your equipment. So this is very useful in my opinion. Also, and you have others here, as you can see: friendship points, maximum energy. This one is really good. Battle gold earned, equipment enhance, good success. This is very good as well. It's like when you normally enhance your equipment, you have a random chance to have a good success, which means it will level up faster. So this will increase the chance of that. Also here, the same but better. Great success, which means you get more experience for each enhancement. A piece purification reward. And okay, and what you have to do is just simply clicking on here, view story. It's actually really fun part of the story. If you and you get to see really nice artwork and different characters that I hope will be coming out in the future, maybe. Yeah, and that's it. If you don't want to see and if you don't want to read it, you can basically skip. You can okay, and what you get is increased battle experience. Very nice and simple. And then you can view again. To I think to improve the buff. Yeah, you can view several times. I think 4 times. So 2 will go into this and 2 will go into this. So yeah, guys, it's free and it doesn't cost a lot of time, and you get really nice small buffs here and there. And I think this is very good. And maybe I'm stupid, but I only know it just as of today. So yeah, that's one of the tips that I have for you if you haven't if you didn't know it yet. And the second thing, also I'm an idiot as well. I did not notice there was another mission event called Mission Find Arcade. It's very simple. You just need to do really simple a simple side game in order to get the rewards. So let's see. Yeah, just a simple game, and you can do it 3 times a day. And what you have for completing, if you guess the where Aki is, right, you will get some random presents. If you don't, you still get I think 40 energy. So yeah, that is very good. And here are the benchmark that you get the things here. Oh, very nice. Okay, so sorry about my voice towards the end there, but I hope this video is helpful to you in some way. And yeah, happy farming, and see you next time.